And several wildfires are burning in California right now. The Sandy
If wildfire
fire started
smoke
on
hits your
Monday.
home, it gets hard to breathe. That heavy, dry air feeling, you know it. Even with windows closed, it still comes in, and everyone in the house feels it. That's why we started using VERIXYLE, a soft micro mist for daily nasal comfort, not a spray, not a rinse. Just a fine mist you can breathe in on smoky days or dry air days. It helps us feel more comfortable at home. Try VERIXYLE and breathe easier again.